I've got here a product that can help with the sound quality of your videos if you record with your smartphone or camera or even your laptop. This is the M18 lavalier wireless microphone with dual receiver from Spolehli. I will send this product to test and review, but I assure you that this is an unbiased opinion and that I was not compensated in any way for this review. Looking at the box, on the front there is the image with the microphone, and on the back there are the package contents, which looks to be plenty, but we will see in a minute. Inside the box there is this user manual. It is important to go through it because it offers useful information about this product and how it works. Then there is this carrying case, which is great to have for travel and storage. Inside the case there are all the components, not only the mics and the receiver. At the top or on the left side there are the USB-C to USB-C cable used for smartphones or laptops or tablets, the USB-C to audio cable used for DSLR cameras, dual USB-C to single USB-A cable probably used for charging the mics at the same time, USB-C to lightning cable used for iPhones, 2 wind muffs, and 2 headphones for live monitoring. At the bottom or on the right side there are the 2 wireless microphones and 1 receiver. So let's have a look at the mics and their specs before testing them out. Both mics are omnidirectional. They have intelligent noise reduction and echo or reverberation effect. Both of the mics and the receiver have a 3.5mm interface to monitor in real time the sound recorded by the mics. They have 2.4 GHz wireless technology, which is great for automatic pairing. The transmitter can be connected to nearly any device like smartphones, iPhones, tablets, laptops, cameras, and so on. The signal is super stable with a range of about 165 feet or 50 meters, which is really impressive, and the audio and video are synchronized. Each mic weighs around 26 grams. It has a built-in battery that lasts around 8-10 hours and can be fully charged in 1.5 to 2 hours. There is no need for any app or software or even Bluetooth. Just plug the receiver with any of the cables provided in the box to the device you want to record on and clip the mic on the shirt. Until now, the sound was recorded via the Deity shotgun mic that I always use, which sits on top of the camera, and I will switch over to this Spolehli wireless microphone to test it out. Now what you hear is the voiceover recorded via this wireless microphone. Let's carry on with the review. The transmitter and the receiver look the same from the front. They both have the same shape and size. They both have the logo at the top, the battery level and the modes, but the only visible difference is the description at the bottom. At the top, the transmitter has the noise cancelling button, which can be also used to turn on the reverberation mode. In the middle is the mic, and on the right there is the audio jack for live monitoring. The receiver only has the volume up and volume down button, which can be used for the sound monitoring and not to increase or decrease the mic gain. On the left side, the transmitter has the Type-C charging port, whereas the receiver has nothing. At the bottom, both units have the on-off button, which can also be used to mute/unmute the mic. On the right side, the receiver has the Type-C charging port and the audio jack for sound monitoring, whereas the transmitter has nothing. Let's turn them on, pair them, and go through the modes. To start off, you can use both transmitters or only one depending if you do an interview or a presentation. To turn them on, just press on the power button for 2 seconds. On the transmitter, there is this connection light that flashes until it will connect to the receiver. Let's turn on the receiver. The same lights came on, but this time you can see that it took less than a second for those two devices to pair. Now the connection light is solid green. So, to start off with the light and their meaning, the battery light is for power indicator. Green means that the device is on and working, red means that it is charging, and blue means that it is low power. Next one, the connection indicator. Solid green means that the transmitter and the receiver are connected, and it will flash green when the connection failed or no connection at all. The third indicator is for the mic. Straight out of the box, the mic is on noise reduction mode indicated by the blue light. When I press once on the echo button at the top, it will disable the noise reduction. To mute the mic, just press on the power button at the bottom and the mic will change to red. The last indicator is called echo or reverberation mode. To turn it on, just press and hold for 1 second on the echo button at the top. These two units, the transmitter and the receiver, don't show the same information on both units at the same time every time. For example, if the transmitter has the noise reduction on, I can see it on the receiver. If I turn it off, it will show on the receiver as well. If I want to mute the transmitter, I can do so by pressing the power button. It will show on the transmitter, but it will not show on the receiver. However, I can mute the mics from the receiver by pressing the mute button, but I can't see this on the transmitters. To turn off the devices, press and hold on the power button for 5 seconds for the transmitter and for 3-4 seconds for the receiver. For some reason, the receiver takes less time to power off. For the purpose of this review, I will use this mic with the camera, but also with the iPhone to see how it performs. The receiver has a clip that also works as a cold shoe mount, so I can fit it direct on the camera like this. Then use the audio cable to connect these two devices. It is that simple. Now the sound that you hear is recorded via the Spolehli wireless microphone straight on the video. The normal position for this mic is here on the baseline, and this is how it sounds. I plugged in the headphones to monitor the sound in real time. If I move the mic here in the pocket, this is how it sounds. In my opinion, it sounds better because it has a better position and there is nothing in between my mouth and the mic. Let's test the noise reduction mode. What you can hear now is the sound with the noise reduction on, and now I switch off the noise reduction and this is how it sounds. What do you think? Can you hear any difference? In terms of echo mode, this is how it sounds. I do not know how or where you can use this mode, but it is there if you need it. I switch over to my iPhone and the mic is now connected to the smartphone. The downside is that there is no phone mount included in the package, so you will need to get creative if you don't have one at home that you can use. But what do you think? Is it any difference in sound quality on the mic used with the camera and on the mic used with the iPhone? Let me know in the comment section below. The Spolehli M18 wireless microphone is packed with so many features that it is a no-brainer not to get it if you record on your smartphone or camera or even on an action camera. It is great for interviews, live streaming, vlogging, or just for shooting a video on your device or even for voiceovers. You can find the link to this microphone in the description below. The retail price for this twin pack is £95.99, but you can get it cheaper if you keep an eye on vouchers. Hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. Hit the like button if so, and consider subscribing and hit that bell icon to be notified of other product reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.